So guys, I just got a $100,000 funded account I can use to trade on Bybit, and this was possible with the help of a prop firm called Hyrotrader. So you want to understand that if you're a trader trying to grow your small account to $10,000, $20,000, or even $50,000, it will be very difficult, and we need a good runner on price action to get this possible. But with a $100,000 funded account, you can enter a trade with, let's say, $2,000, and with a little run of 200%, you can be making $6,000 as fast. Compare when you enter a trade with $10, $20, or even $5. In this video, I will guide you through how to get yourself a funded account for Bybit with Hyrotrader, how to link your funded account with Bybit, and a bonus my plan on how I'm going to be growing this particular funding account from $100,000, which it is, to $500,000. So if that interests you, I want you to like this video, subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell notification, and comment down below in the comment section of this video, Bybit Hyrotrader. So with that said, if you also come on Trustpilot, you want to see that they are over on a trust score of 4.4% with over 52 reviews. And if I go ahead and click on it, basically you're going to see the comments of people talking about the Hyrotrader. Now if I scroll all the way down right now, you want to see that people as well are like giving positive review, and this guy said it is very convenient for me that Hyrotrade provides a demo account I could trade cryptocurrency without risk, and they said the Hyrotrade is one of the best crypto trading, and a lot of other reviews right now. So this is to tell you that if you are still using this platform, you are safe, and you are also safe from losing your money. And other than that, now I'm going to guide you through, like I said, how to link the account and set up an account for yourself, and as well get your account funding and start trading with the Hyrotrade. Now all you want to do, this is my particular account which I just got, the $100,000 account, and if I still come to my certificate right here at the left hand side, right on my certificate, you can see this is it. Like right now, my name Bernard Justice Wealth, and this is $100,000, and you can see the CEO tend to sign right here basically. And all you want to do now, you've known that for you to also get your accounts funded, and let's say you want to link it to Bybit, you're going to be needing a Bybit account. And all I have to do is to come to the challenge right here, click on challenge. Now you're going to bring me to the dashboard, and all I have to do basically is to then click on where it says set up funded account, and you can see ongoing, and the trading type we're going to be doing with this account is basically futures. I'm going to click set up funded account. Going to bring me to this interface. Looking right here, you can as well tend to link your Bybit account if you're in Nigeria and all the third country. But if you're somewhere like other country where Celio work very well, you can use Celio. But I'm going to be using Bybit basically because Bybit is generally used by everybody right now. Once you're done with that, the next you want to do is to hit on confirm platform, and then all you want to do, you go ahead and connect your Bybit, and you're going to be using a demo API, right? And how to get that done, all you have to do is to come to your Bybit account, and looking right at my Bybit account, this is my exact main account. And if you don't have a Bybit account, the first link which is going to be in the description section, you can also use it to set up on the Bybit account, and you can also get a bonus once you first deposit maybe $50, $100, as that said, right? Now the next thing you want to do, click on main account, and then you will see option for me to create manage, and you can see other accounts, my main account and one of my sub accounts. All I want to do is to hit on manage. And once I hit on that position, it will load up this interface. Now you will see they said a position for sub account and stuff. Now the right hand side right here, I'm going to click on create sub account. Now you will see for you to create a standard account, a custodial trading sub account, and a Islamic account right now. So all we have to do is to create a standard sub account. Click on it. And once you click on that, then it will ask you to enter a sub account nickname. Now the name I'm going to put this right now going to be Hyrotrader. Trader, right? And then the next thing I want to do is to leave this on unified trading accounts, because basically we're going to be trading via unified, which is same as the spot trading using isolated or cross margin portfolio. Now the next thing I want to do is to scroll all the way down, and if you want to ask for password, you can do that. I'm going to just click on confirm, and once I tend to do that, basically, so they will send me a code. I will click on send verification code. And once they send this code, I'll go to my Gmail and get this particular code right now. That is to say, I just create a sub account to verify that I'm the one. So I'm going to come right here and also get that code, right? And all I have to do is to go ahead and enter the code 50551. And also I'm going to go ahead and get an authenticator code from my phone, right? I'm going to go ahead and enter it, which is this. All right, so once I tend to do that, the next thing I want to do is to hit on next step. And once I hit on next step, boom, this is gonna set up a sub account for me. So looking right here, Hyrotrader account has been created, and all I have to do is to just go ahead and click on it. And once I click on it, it's gonna load up immediately. That's gonna be it. I'm gonna go back to the main account right here. All right, so I'm gonna either come at the top right here, or I come right here, see main account, click on it, and you will see everyday wealth, and you see Hyrotrader. I'm gonna click on Hyrotrader, and this my main account gonna switch to that of Hyrotrader. And now I've gotten my Hyrotrader account. Then the next thing I want to do is to then go to where it said at the top right here. All right, so I'm going to come to the top right hand side right now, and then I'm going to scroll all the way down and go to where it says demo trading, and which is what they ask us to do. I'm going to click on demo trading right here. And once I click on that, you're going to bring me to this account. Now I'm going to come to my demo trading, where I'm going to be getting the API we're using connecting with that of our Hyrotrader account. Now, all right, so right here is the demo account, and you can see basically I'm going to click on this right now. They say you can start a demo account with $100,000. I'm going to skip this altogether, and then once I skip this, then the next thing I want to do is to also click right here. And then once I click at the top right hand side of the demo account, I'm going to scroll the way down. You will see API. Click on the API, and then it's going to load up an interface. I'm going to be generating an API. Now once you load up this place, so this is what it is. Then the next thing I want to do is to go ahead and create new API. Click on create new API, and then it says system generated API or self-generated API. I'm going to click on the system generated API right there, and then this is going to load up immediately an API. So I'm going to scroll the way down. Now you're going to see API transaction read only. We're going to leave that checked, and then I'm going to scroll down below. Another thing I want to choose is unified trading. Check on that. Then we're going to scroll the way down, and then we're going to check on assets, right? And once you do that, the next one we'll do is to hit on submit. And once you hit on submit, they're going to ask us for it to add an API key. I'm going to name it Hyrotrader, right? And I'm going to click on submit, right? And once I do that, what will happen? This is going to load up, and right here going to be our API. So you can see this is the name of the API, Hyrotrader. This is the API keys. Well, so the next thing I want to do right now is to then go ahead and also copy this API key, first one right here. Once I copy it, I'll come back to this account, which is this. Come right here and paste, right? Once I paste it, I'm going to come back to Bybit, copy the API secret right now. And once I copy it, I click on it, I come back right here, and also I paste. Right now, the next thing I want to do is to then go ahead, connect to Bybit, and basically this is going to be connecting directly to Bybit. All right, so if you want basically right here, they say the API, please update your API to read write. So I'm going to come back right here and fix that. So I'm going to click on understood. I'm going to come back right here, click on edit, because there's some stuff we need to do. We're going to update it to read write and then submit. And once we do that, then the next one we do is to come back and also copy the same API key right here. Come back and also reconnect again, and because we've done that, boom, and you're going to tell us account has been connected successfully. And what will happen, this will set up the account for us, and then we are good to go. So you can see basically our account has been connected successfully. So the next thing we want to do is to go ahead and start trading Basically, you can click on show details right there after loading, and you see it. So once you come right here to our Bybit and go to our account, basically go to trade. All right, so if we scroll all the way down below, now you will see that our USDT on unified account right here is 100,000 USDT. So right now we've gotten that. The next one we want to do is to start trading, start buying log or selling. And let's say you want to enter any particular trade, and for entering any trade, all you want to do is to make sure you follow my channel, my Telegram channel, to get signals, and these signals will enable you to enter your trade and also take stop loss and also take TP. So make sure you're following the channel, because I drop unlimited trade on that channel, right? So with that said, coming back right here on this account, so I'm going to go back right now, and this is going to be our account, basically looking pretty cool. And you want to understand that this is how their page is going to look like. And the next thing you want to do for you to also, start trading is for you to understand the rules of these guys. Now, for you to know the rules of the Hyrotrader, which is going to enable you not to lose your account, all you have to do is to come to it, say show challenge rules, click on it, and then you're going to bring you to this interface. Now if you look basically quite very well, say first 3 rules. Now you want to understand that their rules are very skeptical, and you must make sure you follow these rules for you to be safe and not losing your account. Now the first one is low cap altcoins. These are the coins they say trading low cap altcoins, defined as coin with market cap below 100 million market cap with more than 5% initial balance may result one following adjustment. All right, now you want to understand that you can trade at any time. Once you also get your account, you can go ahead and trade at any time. Now if we also scroll down below, they say stop loss obligation. They say stop loss is required for every position. So which is to say you must make sure while you're using this funding account, you must use stop loss and also take profit. You don't want to enter a trade and then without entering your stop loss, you will lose your account. Right now, other than that, if you scroll all the way down, you can see also other stuff, right? Daily drawdown limit, maximum exposure, cumulative open position, and it's right here on the cumulative open position that they said the combined value of all open trading position must be exceed twice the account's initial balance. So you must make sure you go through all this before you start trading, before you start using this Hyrotrader account, so that you won't lose your account. So now you've understand what their rules is and how everything works. So the next thing you want to do is, how do I also get an account? How do I set up an account with funding account? So if you use the first link, which is going to be in the description section, to bring you to an interface looking like this, and all you have to do, they will tell you crypto unlock and stuff, get started. All you have to do is to click on get started, and once you click on get started, then the next thing you want to do is to then make sure it's on this 2-step verification. And once you're on it, the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and choose the trading capital you want. Let's say you want the trading capital of 5,000 US dollars. That will cost you with over $84 right now. You want a trading capital of $10,000, it will cost you over $151. And you want a trading capital of $25,000, it is cost you over $284,000. And the one which I went for was that of the trading capital of $100,000, which cost me over $569. And guys, once you get this capital, then that's how they also tend to share, which is 70-30, right? So which is to say you give this company 30% and also you take 70%, right? This is the benefit of you trying to use this particular guys. And the minimum payout which you need for you to withdraw or make a withdrawal is 100 USDT, right? You must make sure you have accumulated at least 100 USDT before you as well tend to make a withdrawal or payout, basically. So for you to get that done, you can just click new Hyro challenge, and then so back here, all you want to do, click on start challenge, and once you click on start challenge, it will set up an account for you. And once you click on the start challenge, all you have to do is to then go ahead and fund. All right, let's say you want to fund with this account, so you can use your Visa account or you can pay with crypto. So if you're paying with crypto, I think it will be best that way. You can send the USDC or whatever crypto you tend to choose, and then click on confirm, and then confirm payment, and right away they will get you a funded account. These guys are really cool. They have good reviews on Trustpilot, which is to say you don't have anything to lose if you're using this particular guys, right? And that being said, if you want a dedicated video and my plan on how I'm going to be growing this account to $500,000 from this $100,000 I have, all you want to do is to make sure you stay active on my Telegram channel and also stay active on my Twitter space, right? Because I'm going to be dropping calls and I'm going to be dropping signals both on my Twitter space and also on my Telegram channel. So with that said, don't miss out, and also like this video, share this video to those individuals who want to make money fast trading, futures trading using the crypto prop firm account. And until I see you in my next video, keep winning, stay safe, and comment what you think and whatever question you have in the comment section. I will be right there to reply all your comments.